Okay, guys, so today we took a loss, and it affects you mentally. Um, Not really physically, but it can like destroy your confidence. And I knew this was coming. I've had a lot of wins lately, and when you trade penny stocks, well, when you trade stocks in general, you take some losses. And I knew this was coming. Um, as you can see, I probably shouldn't have took this trade. It was trending up, and then once it basically broke this trend line, and it basically went downhill from here. Looks like a good short to me. You could have shorted it on this little pop. I didn't. I was in pre-market because it's been working lately, and I got burnt completely on this one. Um, Main reason was there was no catalyst, and I broke my own rule. You gotta have a catalyst when trading. The chart's not even that amazing. Yes, it's up, trending, and then once it breaks that, and I had this line there that whole time, and I got in right here when it started popping back up, and I thought it was going to go to 3 or at least 280 and then reject, and I could have made some decent money, but instead it did start to uptrend again. I could have took some profits, and then it just fell off the face of the earth at the market open. So how to take a loss? You just literally, as soon as you take a loss, you go back to the drawing board. Not necessarily drawing the board. You see what you did wrong, you analyze it, you learn from it, and then your next trade will be better. Trust me. But it may take you 2, 3 losses before you're like, okay, I gotta fix that. That's not working anymore. It just depends on you, how fast you learn. But today, when I get take a loss, I break my normal schedule. I'll go out to eat. I'll get myself some food, treat myself, get back on, go study some more, learn what I did wrong, and then go from there. Like today, I've watched it. I watched it fall. I've watched others. I could have played others today instead, but I didn't. So sucks, but you gotta take a loss. So today's just a really quick, short recap of basically how to deal with the loss. And it sucks. You just gotta jump back on the horse, learn from your mistakes, and become more. The market will humble you, so you just have to become more aware, more disciplined with your trades. And again, I've won quite a bit here in the past month and a half. I haven't really taken many losses, so kind of sucks. Sorry about all those messages. My computer, I guess, just rebooted to the internet. So, with that being said, be disciplined, guys. The birthday sale for my course is still going on, so if you want to jump on that, go ahead. And then if you're wanting to know more about the challenge, that will be tomorrow's video. I was gonna make it today's video, but I had this loss, and I figured it's a great lesson. You gotta learn from your mistakes and keep going. And everybody loses a little bit eventually. Took a little bit more of a loss than I wanted to. I ended up covering at 35, or basically selling my shares at 35. But so lost almost 20 cents a share, but it's okay. We'll get it back. So smash that thumbs up button if you're looking, and subscribe if you guys are ready for tomorrow's video, and hit the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload. And then basically we're going to start this challenge. We're going to start fresh on Monday, and tomorrow's video will tell you more in details about that. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.